Is eBay dropshipping over? Let's dive in together to see if dropshipping is indeed dead in this sector. So what are we going to do now? After selection, those with the parachute icons next to them are all dropshippers, folk. Let's take a look at their stores. Let's see. I found one store and their success rate is incredibly high. They made 75,000 sten sales this month alone. And one of their products sold here this month. They sold 270 of this product, and in total they've sold 5,362 of it. Maybe it's a fluke. Let's check another store. Another store, again, huge success. They've earned 158,000 pounds sterling this month, and their most sold product is right here. They sold 556 of this product in 30 days. Is this a coincidence too? The next one, again, dropshipping is said to be dead, but this month, this person made 60,000 pounds sterling of sales. The product they sold was just this one, and they sold 120 of this product in 30 days. They've earned quite a good income, and this product is being sold much cheaper on Amazon. I would love to call it a coincidence, but one of the accounts I manage is right here. From no sales at the end of the month, when we started managing the account, sales started rolling in. In quite a short time, sales started to show and income started showing up. Another account I manage, again in a month, as you can see here, friends, made $1,389. Within 90 days, they even made more than $2,000. This happened from no sales at all and after we took over the account management. If you want to learn how to do this, tons of free videos are on my YouTube channel, from which you can learn, or follow me on Instagram at Okeanos Akailmaz for more detailed information.